Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet.
Hi, Save with Crypto here. Okay, so a week or so ago I put out a video saying that the price of Ethereum was about to break out, and indeed it did. I'm just looking here on the weekly time frame because you can see back here the peak of Ethereum was at the height of the last bull market, which was like November 2021. The level we were at then was $4,849. Now, although Bitcoin keeps flirting with new all-time highs at the moment, Ethereum isn't, so I think it's quite likely that it will get there. I'm just noticing here, I mean, is it sensible to draw a kind of a symmetrical triangle or something like that? It doesn't look very good, does it? But I think maybe if we get rid of that line there, then this downward sloping trend line here is, I think, valid. I think what we need to see is the price breaking that. If we zoom right in, say we go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that all we really need to do is to break, let's say 3,750, something like that. And the most likely thing to happen then was do that, retest, and off we go. So last night we did see this pump up here at the early hours of the morning, and the price actually went up about 3.5%, which is a lot for Ethereum. We came back down this morning. I tried to get in a trade round here. I didn't quite manage it, but I did okay. 3671. It's not brilliant. The position is reasonably large though, so even though I'm only 2.67% in profit, that's about $140, so that's okay. I think this is going to go a lot higher. At the moment there seems to be a kind of like race going on between Ethereum and Bitcoin. One seems to go up, the other one pulls back a bit, the other one goes up, the other one pulls back a bit, which is to be expected. I mean, there are going to be a lot of people who think, my God, Bitcoin's almost at $100,000. I better get some. Oh, hang on a minute, it costs $100,000. Let's look for something cheaper. Oh, Ethereum's only 3,000 whatever dollars. Let's get one of those instead. Of course, you don't have to buy a whole one, do you? I think we all know that. But that is the mentality of some people. And it's probably why things like XRP is doing okay at the moment, because people think, well, it's only like $1.50. I'll get 100 XRP. Now, I did actually open this trade with a market order, which means that my realised profit at the moment is minus $32, which I'm not very happy about, to be honest, especially as it's just come down. Anyway, that last part of the video was a few hours ago, and I kind of went out for a little while and just left it to do its own thing. And lo and behold, the price went up. So that was great. So the trade now is actually 8% in profit, so $425. So that's looking much better now. I did put a stop loss here, just in case I forget later on when I go to sleep. I'll probably leave it about there, I reckon. So if we look at the ETH chart, you can see here, this was that parallel channel that I was talking about in the video where I reckoned it might go up. It did, didn't it? So yeah, that was the candle that I was really proud of. But since then it's come up loads more. So Ethereum's doing really well. For those of you who are interested in the Stonksy indicator, if you want to get that, by the way, go to savewithcrypto.org/Stonksy. It's the only discount you can get on that by going SWC10, and that gets you 10% off the annual plan. But that on the 1 hour time frame is looking great because it really does sort of show these rises in the price. It's not the best at getting out of a trade. So, for example, if you'd have gone long there, you'd have been better coming out there rather than there. But nevertheless, you would still have made a gain. And then this one here, you would have actually made a loss, but obviously you'd have seen the pump first of all. So I think you have to be sensible with it and just sort of think, okay, I'll take a profit when it does that. Or you could just sort of think, go long there and then just stay long. just while you're in the money. I didn't do that because I wanted to sort of compound my gains because I didn't have that much Ethereum. That's been long since Wednesday, and it's not showing any signs of stopping, really, to be honest. So that's looking great. So I think Ethereum is really good. And if you did watch my video, and obviously not financial advice, but if you did sort of decide to do something similar, then congratulations, you would now be, what's that? Yeah, you would now be 18% up from there. So if we zoom out again and maybe look at that trend line like that, you can see we might start to get a bit of resistance quite soon, around about 3,780. So only $80 off that. So do watch out. I'll probably take a little bit of profit up there, I think, and then I'll have some more to sort of add in. The other thing it might do is it might break through that resistance and then do that kind of thing, like what I said before. Anyway, I'm trading this on BitGet. If you want to use BitGet, use the link savewithcrypto.org/BitGet, and you can get up to a $30,000 trading bonus when you make your first deposit. And it depends on your trading volume as well, obviously, but you do get sort of other bonuses as well. So that's BitGet. That isn't available in every country. So if it's not available in your country, you can use Blofin as well. That's this exchange here where I've embarrassingly got a Bitcoin trade that is 7% down at the moment. Hopefully that will fix itself tonight. Blofin is a no KYC exchange, so you don't have to show them a passport. You don't have to tell them your real name. My name on that is savewith.crypto, which is actually my real name. And at the moment, there is an offer which is available to the first 50 users of my link. Okay. Now, I think this applies to people who have already signed up using my link. So it's the first 50. This is the first time I've mentioned this. So get in there if you can. It's available from November the 29th, which was yesterday, until December the 4th. Okay. So the deal is when you make a deposit, they give you 10% back. The maximum there is $2,000. So if you've got $20,000, they'll give you $2,000 back. So I think that's a really cool offer, that is. So do sign up there as well. savewithcrypto.org/Blofin. Okay, so any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Do make sure you are subscribed and got the notifications on all. Please do like the video. It's really important that you do, so I can keep making content and we can all learn about this crypto journey together. Does that sound cool? As cool as this guy?
Save with Crypto is a totally dope YouTube channel. Many of you know that I always have my mind on my money and my money on my mind. If it's flipping crypto, I'm Blofin, be the best crypto flipper in the world. Whatever it is you do, you have to master your craft. Everyone should own Bitcoin, maybe a whole Bitcoin. They're no fun if the homies can't have none. The thing is, you don't get respect if you don't deserve it. Save with Crypto deserves the ultimate respect. Do like all his videos. Subscribe with notifications on all. And above all, tell your friends.